Good morning students, this is Laxman, lecturer in physics, and today we are going to discuss about the topic LED. So first of all, LED means the light emitting diode, and if we are going to the working principle of the LED here, when an electron is jumping from the higher energy level to lower energy level, then the energy is released in the form of light. This is a working principle of the LED. So if you are going to the construction of this LED here, in the LED you will be having two materials, one is p-type material and the other one is the n-type material. So generally whenever the PN junction diode, this we can call it as PN junction diode, whenever it is forward biased, that means the p-type material is connected to the positive plate and n-type material connected to the negative plate. Here the holes will be moving from p side to n side and electrons will be moving from n side to p side. And here what happens, the recombination of holes and electrons will be taking place at the junction. But the recombination, that means combining of an electron with a hole, generally takes place in the p-type material only. So here the recombination will be taking place somewhere here when this electron is going up to here. So energy will be liberated only from p-type material. So p-type material is placed on the top of this LED and n-type material will be at the bottom of the LED, so that light will be easily escaping from that p-type material. So it will be emitting the light. And here, in order to have the connections, just above the p-type material an anode is connected, simply a electrical contact here, and at the bottom portion of this n-type material we are having a cathode. Again this is an electrical contact, but at the bottom portion of the n-type material there will be a gold plating, or you can call it as gold coating, so that whatever the light, if at all, if it is escaping in the bottom side, that will be reflected back in the upward direction. So this is the actual construction of the LED here. So whenever it is forward biased, electrons will be going into the p-type material, recombination takes place. Whenever a recombination is taking place, energy is liberated in the form of light. Now coming to the symbol of this LED here. Here we are having an ordinary diode symbol only here, but here two arrows will be indicated here, so that it indicates that the light is emitted from the diode. So this is a symbol of the light emitting diode. Now if I are going to the actual physical construction of the LED here, that will be in this form. So inside the LED you will be having two metal contacts, and here on one of them here we will be having one reflector here which is capable of reflecting the light, and this yellow color portion, it is nothing but the semiconductor material. And here we will be having an electrical contact called as AVIL, and this is the electrical contact called as post, and these two are connected with wires just outside the LED, that is positive terminal and negative terminal. And total this arrangement will be placed inside a glass capsule here. This is called as epoxy glass lens. So whenever the current is passed through these two wires here from this portion the light will be emitted and it will be liberated in all directions in the, out of this glass lens or glass epoxy surface. Now coming to the description once again. So here the LED is nothing but a forward biased PN junction diode here, and the electrons on the N region will be entering into the P region, and the recombination takes place in P region, and the recombination after taking place it will be releasing energy in the form of light. That is the working principle. Now if you are going to the construction, the p-type material will be on the top of the surface. Here already I have taken, this is the p-type material. Next coming to the n-type material, the n-type material will be at the bottom of the LED, and an anode is deposited on the p-type material and a cathode is attached at the bottom of the n-type material, and there will be a gold foil that reflects the light in the upward direction. So this is about the construction of the LED we are having here. And next coming to the applications. In case of applications, this LED is used in the calculators, traffic signals, cameras, mobile phones, in digital watches, or in televisions, and as they are used in sensors in the industry also, and in they can be used in signboards during to indicate the direction during the night times. So these are some of the uses regarding the LEDs. They are used in LED tube lights also, LED TVs also. Next, coming to the advantages. They are very small in size, lightweight, long life, and very sharp light will be produced from the LED. So these are the advantages of the LED. So once again, going to the overview picture of this notes and diagram here. So this will be the overview picture, and this is an important question in the SEM and examination. So I hope that you understood that and you will learn that. Thank you.